tank view. Right. With the tank lit up. Not gonna listen to my piece of shit down when he told me to leave the tank lit up. He thinks I'm gonna break it, I'm not. Wait, I know what the date already is, 1996. Wait, 98 actually. 1998. All the toys are from 1998. Oh, these are arcade toilets. Come on, hurry up, man. Alright. Oh, sure, fill up. Alright. What the hell is that noise? Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Give me seconds, cause it should come up. Alright. Okay, I don't care, whatever. Here we go. Okay. Well, it looks like it did a great job, but... Alright, I need to go to the next restroom, because I'm not joking, I'm serious. Because I need to move on. Need this quick. Alright, let's go. Alright, see you later. Alright, let's do this, alright?